In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and assign tasks in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to add a task, and how to make sure the right people are looped in with clear due dates and project context. Start by opening Asana and heading to your home view. This is your command center, recent work, quick shortcuts, and a snapshot of what matters now. If you work across multiple teams or workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one so your task lands in the right place. Next, look to the left sidebar and click on My Tasks. This area shows everything assigned to you and is the best place to create personal work you plan to own. Even if you'll hand the task off, starting here keeps it easy to manage before you assign it. Switch to the List tab for a clean, table-style view. List View makes it simple to scan titles, due dates, and owners at a glance. You can switch views anytime without changing the underlying task data, but List is perfect for quick task entry. Click Add Task. A new row appears where you can immediately start typing. Keep titles short and action-oriented. Use a strong verb and a clear outcome so it's obvious what needs to happen. As you name the task, open the task details on the right and set the assignee. Choose yourself if you're doing the work, or pick a teammate if you're delegating. Remember, only one person can be the assignee, which keeps ownership clear. Add a due date. Pick something realistic that aligns with any project milestones. If timing is flexible, still choose a target date to keep momentum. You can always adjust later, and Asana will remind the assignee as the deadline approaches. Add collaborators. These are the people who need to stay informed but aren't responsible for completing the task. Collaborators receive updates and can comment, ask questions, or attach files. It's a great way to avoid side conversations and keep context in one place. Finally, add the task to the relevant project. This ensures your work shows up where your team plans and tracks progress. A single task can live in multiple projects if it's relevant to more than one effort, which boosts visibility without creating duplicates. That's it. Home for orientation, My Tasks for focus, List for clarity, add tasks to create, name it well, assign the owner, set a due date, add collaborators for visibility, and connect it to the right project. Follow this flow and you'll create and assign tasks in Asana with confidence every time.